Tama na ano po.
Baka pa di pa eh.
Hindi gagawin lang. Alis na naman kita dito. Dito ka mukha. Tapos palita yun dyan yun.
Ang gutong te. Ang baala ro. Ha? Ha?
Ayan tayo pagig katagdarot. Ano wag? Kala ko tubig.
Damit na ibalbal na ito.
Natagamin ka, di ka gamata.
Paleta.
So which one is the 70 to 1 sack?
All of these are 72.
Oh, okay.
Mangit naman.
Except for these 4.
Yeah.
These are what they refer to as the clayest, more clay.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
But with that, you can reach the 75.
Yeah.
This is half and half of clean sand and clay sand.
Yeah.
I think we made this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, we can only reach, with this formulation, we can go up to 50, 54.
Yep. 54. Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can run over that with a truck and it'll survive it.
The one that's covered with plastic, with that formulation, they can come close to 70.
The process.
That's the clay.
Okay.
Tulungan ako na permen at diniti. Tapos dati 75. Ano na yun? Abang pagkaganda. Right.
When do you add the water or you don't?
You add the water at the end when you're ready. Because technically when you add water, you got like 30 to 40 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
So you only add water when you're ready.
Okay.
So they need 75 of these. How many is that? 8, 9, 10.
So what did you buy the thing? Solano?
Yeah, then we did. We spent 60,000 pesos? Sorry.
So the bus took it?
No, the owner. The owner delivered it. The
Oh.
owner of the store.
Oh wow.
Yeah. 29 the machine only. Sa J motor, mano? The motor. How the
Okay. So who's going to do the test? Who's going to do the drop test? 1 meter.
Thurman will do it with that one and the one in the plastic after 3 days minimum.
Okay.
I want to yung easy way to take it out other than start. Pagyan pa yung muna.
Well, it seems to be strong enough now, even it's after 1 day.
Na maganda to mano?
Ilagal man ato.
Yesterday. This was yesterday. Dekalman lang, mabagkatay.
Ang amarba.
This is the big test.
Wow.
Okay, that's one specification. The other specification is the delivery test.
So you're not worried about...
Oh, look at this one. This is called the Maylako Laptop test.
Well, that's good.
This is banking.
But Maylako Laptop. The name of the business is Gumatang timayak.
Okay. So you're buying the sand already sorted out.
Yeah, apparently the price of sand went up.
Wow.
And I think Perman is gonna buy a dump truck.
Yeah?
Yeah, to minimize the increased profit.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Eh di mano-mano mas kasi. Pagkatama siya yung madug, sarap na. Kapag may summit tayo, bro. Hindi may satungotan na. Ano din na pala? Kaya, talaga mukhang tag-surrender ay ito, madingat ha, may sana. Puro marami na tapa. Alta.
So the mixing is kind of pure guesswork, bro.
So normally what I do is I mix it thoroughly before I add the water.
Yeah.
So once I mix it and add the water, then it's just morely adding water.
Yep.
But the way they're doing it here is one go.
Yes.
Katipid ka ng out.
Yeah. Because remember, you get paid by how many pots they make.
Oh, okay.
You don't get paid by the hour, you get paid by the
Okay.
oh, yeah. Atas ka na, ma'am.
Gagawin na pang ko.
Pag pumunta ito, paabak. Ibabak. Sa tata. Nabuosan natin kisimito Jonig na Perman na lagod na. Ayan. Lakuran di pa din. Kasi pag kamada pa main, hindi ko ma-criss-cross. Criss-cross without the water. Well, kamada. Basta itong kamada kasi regulo may. Ano? Oo, hindi na eh. Matugtungan na eh. At ado matokol. It's in the transport. And then agi pagpatayan na ag-flex tataman di may isang problema.
Yeah.
Ag-flex.
Maliata.
Yeah, ag-flex, ag-flex ano may support ag-bere.
Well,
Ay data di may sa problema pa.
you need quality control.
Man. Great quality control. Be careful.